think I'm crazy, but I know I am.
Hi guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. It's me, your favorite girl, BERIZZYs of BERIZZYs Closet. And if you don't know, BERIZZYs Closet is an online boutique that sells female clothes from a size small all the way up to a size 4XL. Please head on over there and check me out, and I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Now let's get right into the makeup for today. So today I'm recording this video the day before Valentine's, and I'm just trying to do a Valentine's look, and that I'm gonna post on Valentine's Day. So yes, as you've already seen, I'm starting off with my bare face, and now let's get right into this makeup. So I'm going to be starting off with this health setting mist. I'm just going to spray my face before I put down the matte product. For primer, I'm going in with the Maybelline Master Prime. This is a mattifying primer. And also it's a pore minimizer. If you can see, I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but I have a lot of large pores on my face that I'm trying to cover up today. I'm going to apply a generous amount, especially on my nose, wherever I have the large pores. I'm just going to blend it in with this brush. I don't usually color correct, but today I'm feeling a little bit fancy, so I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in this orange shade. I'm just going to apply a little bit to these really dark spots on my face. Right about now. I feel like my hyperpigmentation has gotten really bad on this side. I really need to see a dermatologist. I'm going in with a beauty blender to just blend this all in. In case you don't know, the reason I'm doing this is to cover up this hyperpigmentation whenever I put my foundation on, so you don't see any, grayish toning. I don't need too much product. Today I'm planning to go with a different approach. Usually I'll go into my brows, but today let's hold on the brows and just get into the face. For foundation, I'm going in today with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Foundation. I'm just going to apply 2 pumps. I feel like it's a bit too red, so I'm gonna go in with my Born This Way concealer from Too Faced. Might not show on camera, but in person it's showing a bit too red. This is another different technique to, do your makeup. Like, makeup does not have one right way. You can do it whatever way works for you. Next up, I'm going in with this concealer from the Color Pop. It is the Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer, pretty fresh. And this is in the shade Dark 170 Neutral. I'm just going to apply it to my under eye like so. I really love this color. My chin, my face, my nose, and then a little bit in the inside. I'm going to use a lighter shade also of the Color Pop foundation. This one is in the shape Dark 145W. This is brighter, and I'm just going to apply it to the front under eye like so, and then the bridge of my nose. Let it dry down a bit and becomes tacky. Then I'm going in again and start blending it. For contour, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty stick in the shade Espresso.
Don't try to please me, not sure that you can. Don't get me started, babe, cause this is the end. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm not good, but you know better.
Then I'm going to use this beautiful flat brush and just contour my nose. Did you see that precision on my nose right now? Did you see that? Like, look at how snatched my face is looking right now. I'm all in for this glam. Set my eyes. I'm going in with this Maybelline Fit Me setting powder, and I'm going to apply precisely like so. Then for contour, I'm going to use my disgraceful looking Morphe palette. This palette needs to be upgraded, but trust me, I really love it. And I'm just going to apply the contours to the places that I cream contoured already. I have a simple rule on this channel. Once there is cream, there has to be powder. When it comes to my nose, I'm using the more lighter shade of the contour to contour my nose because I don't want it to look too dark. I'm going to brush my eyebrows in place. I'm using a little bit of pomade to just get these babes in. I'm using my tiny pencil to draw my brows. Don't laugh at my pencil, please. And I'm going in again with the spoolie to just brush it all in place. Next, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place concealer in the shade number 6. The ColourPop concealer again in the shade 170. I'm going to mix these two concealers. The lighter one is going to be at the back and the darker one in front. Now I'm using the darker shades. So as you can see, I'm done with my brows. This is not a technique that I usually love. I always like to do my brows before, but this is a more advanced stage of makeup for people, you know. It's not a beginner's friendly. So if you're just starting or you just, you know, in the middle, do not try this one because you have to go over your whole face again with foundation and you don't want that. But I really do not recommend this and I don't like doing it, but for today's purpose, I'm doing it. And as you can see, brows are snatched. Now I'm just going to apply this to the rest of my eyes to create a cream base. Using a large fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend everything in nice and seamless. Then I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder. I'm going to set everything in. So for my eyes, I'm going to start off with this Juvia's Place palette. It's the Zulu by Juvia. And I'm going to start with this orange shade right here. With a smaller brush, I'm going in with the brown. Next up, I'm going to go with the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. This is one of the OGs and one of my favorite. And I'm going in with this shade right here. I'm going to use a smaller brush and blend this in precisely. I'm going to go back into the Zulu palette and I'm just going to blend the outer part of this color. Into my chocolate palette. And I'm going to use this dark decadent black shade for the outer part of my eyes. If you don't want to move this around a lot, just a little bit. Now I'm going to use this flat brush. I want my eyes to pop a little bit more, so I'm going in with the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade number 11. And I'm going to just apply it right here. And then I'm going in with a flat brush to just, you know, blend this out. I don't want to do a formal cut crease. If you know me, I don't really do that cut crease that much here. But I'm just going to apply it like so. Before I layer the rest of the shadows. When I say formal cut crease, I mean like I'm gonna take precision to like cut and carve out the eyes, but I'm not doing that. That's why I say it's not formal. I'm going to use the pink shade from my chocolate palette, and I'm going to apply it onto this part. I don't know, it's not giving what I want it to give. Let's keep applying and see how it goes. The pink is pink, but it's not pink in the way I want it to pink. So I'm going to go into my Juvia's Place Candy Shop palette. And yes, I love Juvia's Place. Going to go in with the pink from here. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. And then this shimmery shade from this side. This is a light baby pink. It's popping, not too much, but it's giving what I want it to give. And then I'm going to add the shimmery color on top of this, like so. I'm going to take a brighter silver shade and just apply it to this front part. And voila, my eyes is giving what I want it to give. It's giving. I'm going to clean up. Going in with the shade Zobo, and I'm just going to apply it, you know, all over, like so. Now let's apply some eyeliner, and I'm going in with my NYX Epic eyeliner. No wings today, baby. Voila, my eyes are almost done. Let's go back into the face. To dust off the excess powder on my face, I'm going in with my Juvia's Place Bronze Palette. And I'm going to be using the lighter shades for the highlighted area and the darker shade for the contoured area. Now I'm going in to set everything with my favorite setting spray, which is the Morphe setting spray. Whilst my face is dry, let's go in again to my eyes and just, I always love to line in my under eye. Next up for mascara, I'm going in with none other than the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm gonna go into my cheeks, and I'm going in with my favorite liquid brush from Juvia's Place. I'm just gonna apply a little bit on my cheeks like so. Now let's go in and blend it. Now that I finished doing the liquid brush, I always say once there's liquid there has to be a powder. I'm going in again with my Juvia's Place blush palette. And I'm going to go in with this shade right here. Like, baby, this is cute. Next up, I'm gonna go in and apply my lashes that I've been pulling down, like so. Let's get these lashes going on. This eye is acting up right now because I don't know what's going on with it. But oh, it better come together, you know. But let's see. I'm just going to apply this like so. And voila! So, oh my gosh, see, eyelashes just do like this magic to your face whenever you know you apply them finally. Like, I'm all here for it. I know I look too pink, but I'm loving it. I'm gonna go again into my lip, and I'm going to use my tiny pencil. Please don't laugh, my pencil. Please, be nice. Next, I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place lipstick in the shade Muted, because you guys know your girl loves an ombre lip, and I'm gonna apply it like so. And voila! I really wanted to keep my lips simple because everything else is, you know, too much. So let's keep the lip really simple. Now that everything is all like together, I'm just going to go in with this beautiful setting spray from Makeup Revolution. It's the Infinity setting spray, and it's a mattifying spray because the look is mattifying. And I'm just going to apply this all over my face. And I almost forgot about this. Let's go in and highlight my face. For highlighting, I'm going to use my Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. We're going with this beautiful shade right here. And voila, we are all done. On the menu today is Me Savvy Lips. Yes, baby. So thank you so much if you've stayed with me till the end of this video. I really appreciate it. And also, if you've not subscribed yet to my channel, please click on that subscribe button down there, right there. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post beautiful and amazing content like this. And also, please share my videos. If you love my vibe, share my videos, and other baddies, you know, other babes, you know, get to know how to do your face bit. And until next time, I remain your beautiful and favorite influencer, BERIZZYs. See you in my next one. Oh, go check my next one. Here, please watch it. Bye bye.